Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of Back to IBS. So I'm your host Mahi Mishra, and today we have someone with us who is the powerhouse of strategy and storytelling. Someone from a management student at ICFI Business School to an extraordinary media professional in the world of content, OTT platforms and brand partnership. Your journey has been truly inspirational to us, ma'am. And please welcome Ms. Swati Rawat, the regional head of ITW Universe. Ma'am, we are really delighted to have you here with us.
Thank you, Mahi. Thank you for having me over.
Let's dive into the questions just now. So let's start with the first one. Let's take you back to the memory down lane. And so take us back to your time. Like, how were those 2 years for you, professionally and personally?
I think 2 years very informative and at the same point very confusing also, because you have, I think by the second year you're already thinking, where will I land and what job am I going to take, and aligning your passions. I was a marketing student, and I think at that point of time everybody just wanted to do brand marketing per se. Now I feel you have different arenas that you can look at, right from retail management to etc etc. But at that point of time, everybody was thinking on brand management only. So I would say we were a little bit confused कि ये अच्छा है कि वो करना चाहिए etc etc. But informative, because I think the faculty at IBS has always been very good, and we've been very lucky to have people who are very good theoretically, who were teaching us, and at the same point of time a great sense of practical knowledge that they were providing. So it was a very good mix. And even at a human level, people were very, I would say, very comforting in guiding people through. So I would say, I can say it was a very warm, heartfelt experience, where people were strict, my teachers were strict. At the same point of time, we had that audacity that we could go and talk, discuss problems, take their perspectives. So it was very nice, cordial 2 years that I spent.
Okay, that I hope I do the same. So let's get to the next question. So if you were graduating from IBS today, what would your next 6 months plan would look like in this market scenario?
I think I would have been a little more prepared, because I look at the curriculum now. Like I said, it is extremely diverse. My 6 months plan would probably be already planned 6 months in advance. So I would have been in a great opportunity that I am looking to follow. A little more prepared than I was then. Yeah.
Okay, that's very insightful. So moving on, now that you are leading the North region at ITW Universe, how do you reflect on your growth from a management student to the regional leader of the sports and entertainment in company?
How do I reflect on it? I think I've been through ups and downs. I just believe that I've been guided by the right kind of people, supported in the right kind of manner in terms of sincerity and hard work. So I feel I've come a long way and I'm still learning. It's been a great journey. I've enjoyed myself thoroughly.
Okay, that's great. So as you know that OTT platforms have revolutionized so much today about how we consume content from a sales perspective. So what's the biggest challenge and biggest opportunity for you?
So the biggest challenge, I believe, typically because I'm from sales, is that somebody else has gone and given a different narrative, which may or may not work for me for the kind of services that I'm providing. That would be the challenge. So the challenge today is to be in the right place at the right time and the right pace, I would say, is the challenge. If you're slow, even by an hour, you might lose out on opportunities. The biggest opportunity, obviously, is that everybody understands, including the people who are consuming content, that we are moving towards a digital era. So whether it is OTT or whether it is wherever that you're consuming content online, that audience is the requirement for almost every brand. You're looking at New India. You're looking at people who know how to transact online, who know how to book things online, who probably so it's a very online transactional driven economy, and everybody is targeting that. So that's an opportunity, and it's here to stay. So it's not going to be redundant in a couple of years. So I feel the next 10 years, or rather, let's speak of the next 5 years, Next 5 years is going to be very, very revolutionizing in terms of opportunities, advertising opportunities on OTTs, on mobile applications, on web pages, etc. So yeah, it's a very exciting time.
Okay, exciting. Now moving on to the next question. If a student from IBS walked to you today and said, I want to be like you, then what advice would you give to them?
One, you have a great choice. Two, what advice can I be a little more disciplined? I think I wasn't as disciplined as I would want to be. Your time management, I keep telling this to everyone, and I'm myself trying to practice this every day. Time management is extremely, extremely critical. If you that 5 a.m. club, it's not a facade. It really helps. So you get your time in place, things will follow. That's the only advice. Rest everything it'll happen over time.
Students have so much to learn from you.
I have no idea about that, but yeah, this is one piece of advice that I think should be seriously taken, even if you don't want to end up in a corporate job. I think it takes you a long way.
So now let's twist in the show. Let's have some exciting fun rounds, and it's rapid fire actually. So quick questions and quick answers. So are you ready?
I'll try.
Okay. So pitching a brand or presentation at IBS, what was scarier?
Pitching a brand.
Pitching a brand. Okay. So how would you describe your IBS journey in one word?
Warmth, and I actually would say informative more than
Okay.
Informative.
Okay. So if you could relive one day from your time at IBS, what would it be?
The first day.
The first day.
I would have made a better choice.
Okay. So what song or an incident or memory that instantly takes you back to your IBS journey would?
Actually, I'm more. I remember the campus very clearly. So this is obviously a very new campus. For me, it's an alien campus because we were placed in Ansal Plaza. So wherever that I'm in and around that part of Gurgaon, it brings back everything. We've I don't know if I should say this loud, but we've skipped classes to watch. So there used to be the first morning movie that used to be in Ansal Plaza. They used to be showing at 50 rupees a ticket. That was like a dream. तो हम लोग skip करके चले जाते थे चुपचाप वो देखने के लिए और वापस आते हुए पकड़े भी जाते थे. तो वो एक चीज है जो I think I still recall that.
Okay. So that was very smooth. And thank you, Swati, for joining us today for
Thank
the
you,
podcast.
Mahi. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you. And here's wishing you all the success and continuing to it.
I'm wishing you guys a very wonderful coming 2 years. Whatever help that as an alumni we can give, more than happy to help.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, guys.